Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix no sound issues in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll need to locate the sound icon, which typically looks like a speaker symbol. Once you've found it, right-click on this icon to bring up a context menu. From the options that appear, click on Open Volume Mixer. This tool allows you to control audio levels for individual applications and your system as a whole. Once the Volume Mixer window opens, you'll see several important settings. First, check the volume slider and make sure it's not set to 0. If the slider is all the way down, your system won't produce any sound regardless of what you're trying to play. Adjust it to a comfortable level if needed. Next, look for the Output Device drop-down menu within the same window. Click on it to see all available audio devices connected to your computer. Make sure that your primary speaker device is selected here. Sometimes Windows can accidentally switch to a different output device, which causes audio to play through the wrong speakers or not at all. Now scroll down in the volume mixer until you find the Apps section. Here you should see Google Chrome listed among other applications. Check if Chrome is muted by looking at the speaker icon next to it. If there's a red circle with a line through it, that means Chrome is muted. Click on the icon to unmute it and restore audio functionality. After you've configured these settings, go ahead and test if Chrome now has sound by playing a video or audio file. Give it a moment to process the changes. If the issue persists, there's another solution you can try. Open your Google Chrome browser and look at the upper right corner of the window. Click on the three dots menu icon to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings to access Chrome's configuration panel. Once you're in the Settings page, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles various site permissions and security features. From here, click on Site Settings to access more specific controls over what websites can and cannot do. In the Site Settings menu, scroll down until you find Additional Content Settings and click on it. This expands more options related to how websites interact with your browser. Then click on Sound to access Chrome's audio permissions specifically. Finally, you'll see radio buttons that control whether sites can play sound or not. Make sure you've selected the option that says Sites can play sound. This ensures that Chrome allows audio playback from websites rather than blocking it by default. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the no sound issue in Google Chrome by checking both your system audio settings and Chrome's internal sound permissions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.